All right, in this video, we're going to talk about Tesla and this insane run it's having. Insane. And I'm going to tell you why this thing is heading straight for 235, 240 right in this area. It's going to tag this trend line. It's coming. It's coming, and I'm going to tell you why. But let's look at the market real quick. Look at the, let's go here and look at this first. This is the Dow, right, down 48. NASDAQ, up 77. S&P, just above that flat line, up 1.16. Stock's been moving up all day, but NASDAQ is killing it thanks to big tech, man. Apple, Google, Amazon, Tesla, Disney. I don't know what's going on with Microsoft and Oracle and NVIDIA, AMD. Maybe they'll hand it off when these guys get tired. But right now, big tech is pulling the market up just like it used to. Remember, it used to just run. It was always big tech, right? Everyone jumping into tech. So that's what you want to see if you want a tech stock to go higher. Back to Tesla, looking at the weekly chart. We're coming to this area. When you look at this chart, you don't even got to be a chartist. You just say, oh, yeah, I see it. I mean, we hit this area and we go down, hit it, down. We're going to hit it. We don't know what it's going to do. It should go down, to tell you the truth, because that's what it's been doing in the past. But this is the area where it's going to make a decision. This is the area of real resistance, other than the area it's fighting right now. This is some resistance as well. This is the downtrend line resistance, and we're really going to be battling this area right here, right? So let's come to the daily, and I want to show you this line right here. I already got it circled. I'm really excited about this bar. This is a big body green. Was that yesterday? Oh man, Tesla was on fire yesterday. Valentine's Day, on fire. The thing opened at 191 and closed at 209. Incredible. Anyway, so big body candle, emotion. Generally, when you see these kind of candles, whatever the direction the stock is going in, that's the direction it will continue to go in. That's going to be the direction. So we got that. We got it right at resistance. That's this orange line right here, right? We're still fighting these guys right here. And then we're going to fight this level of resistance right here, which lines up to this downtrend line right here. But once we get through, now, if the market was super strong, we would have already been through already. Tesla's been doing this on kind of not the best market, but it's doing it. Wait until we have that day where it's up 400, 600 points. It'll be there, just like we had this day. And so this is the daily. Let me go show you the monthly real quick, and then you could really see it, right? The thing you gotta remember with Tesla, even though we're like really excited, this thing came off 100, the floor of 100, and it's already up at 200. It's up 111% basically from the bottom, almost in a straight line up. Wow, that's crazy. But we are still in a downtrend. This is the downtrend. This is the primary downtrend that we are going to have to break for us to say, all aboard Tesla. Now, I'm saying it now until the 235, but this is where the real decision is going to be made if it's going to decide to go back down. I'm confident it's getting through this area right here, but this is the true area. And you're like, man, hey, you're like, but it already went up 111%. It's nothing. It's nothing for Tesla. I can come back here and say, from here, here's that big body, like a big body candle. You see the uptrend, say you got in right here, and then you kind of took it to here. That's 124%. How about here? How about here before it did a little pullback? That's 331%. You know, so this stock does that. Let's say here, you saw this little hammer candle, you decided to get in right there at the top, and you just went a couple of months with it, right? Well, that's 14%. And then right here is 65%. So Tesla makes moves like that. It just does. It's one. Look at yesterday, man. Yesterday's incredible. So we're coming here. We're coming to this 235. There's no doubt in my mind. But just remember, this is where the decision is going to be made before it decides to go through, and then we'll really be bullish. I think a lot of people will look at Tesla and say, wow, okay, we have to get in. The downtrend will be broken. Or will the downtrend continue? Because if I go to the weekly chart, maybe you can see this a little better on the weekly chart. This is a high, right? This is a lower high. Yeah, this is a lower high. And this is a low. And this is a lower low. And this is a lower low, if you want to count that. And this is a lower low. So we're getting lower highs and lower lows, which is the sign of a downtrend. That's a downtrend. You want to break this thing? We need to get above that. We need to break the lower highs and lower lows. We actually have to come back down. We could either come straight up and break that high or come back down and put in a higher low. But I'm going to like it once it breaks this line right here. And then when it does come down, once it breaks this line, I know it's putting in a higher low. I'm like, I'm in, downtrend's broken. That's how I'm looking at it. But we do need to see it get a higher low or a higher high. We need to see that. And then the downtrend is over. But like I said, I'm going by this line right here. All right, so this is Tesla, man. Full speed ahead to 235. Also, let me show you one more thing. How about I clear all of these drawings out? A little more confirmation on this. And let's go ahead and draw a Fibonacci of this downtrend move, right? This last downtrend move, like that. And you can see the 61.8. It's right at that 233 area, right? So this is where I think we're going, right? I thought 235, 240. We're right smack in this area. That's where we're going, okay? Which lines up with these boys right here, which we're fighting through kind of right now, but we're really going to be fighting through the top part of that, right? That's the resistance we're going to be bumping through. Also, that downtrend I was telling you about right there. See, everything lines up to right there, and that's where we're going. By the way, back to the monthly chart. Forgetting about these things. I'm really excited about this. I'm excited about that slow stochastic coming out from the bottom. This is telling you are early. I know we're up 100%, but like I said over here, it's nothing. It's nothing for Tesla. We're coming out of this oversold area, slow stochastics pointing up. We are early. You're early. And this thing could work its way through the years. I'm not saying it's going to do it tomorrow, next month, or whatever. A couple of years, we'll be looking at this top, trying to break this all-time high. Hopefully it's sooner than a couple of years. I'm going to say, well, how about this? How about I draw a line on this current trend? I don't know if that's sustainable, but if it maintains that current trend, we'll be doing it by, that's saying August 23. Can you believe that if that would happen? We're looking at new all-time highs in Tesla in August. That'd be incredible. Let me know where you think Tesla's going to go. Let me know if you think this thing is going to hit that 235, 240 area like you're just 100% confident. Let me know. Put it this way. Where do you think this thing is going to stop before it makes a decision? Do you co-sign with me, or do you got another plan? And don't forget to like, subscribe. I appreciate you. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching this video. This is Dre, and I'm out.